Each morning I look over to find you. Your eyes closed, head on the pillow, softly breathing. I kiss your cheek repeatedly until you open your eyes and look at me. Sometimes you flip over, not wanting to get up. Sometimes you sit up and give me a hug. Either way, we start each day with love, with love. I know how lucky I am. I wish love for everyone. Sometimes it comes in unexpected places. Sometimes it comes from observing nature. Either way, please start
国产
each
淘宝家
day
庭，买家具还在犹豫不决吗？新手小白买家具，如果不想任人宰割，可以线上约找杨师傅免费咨询。您只要提供品牌、照片、影片、房址等原因，可以看到专业资讯，就能提供专业建议给您。不管你是要买沙发、大门、琉璃台、浴缸、马桶、床垫、壁纸，不管是进口品牌、国产品牌、东南亚品牌、虾皮淘宝货，还是想要直接找 IP 工厂咨询，试试问材质、施工方式、实用性，还是要询问如何后续保养维修，品牌是否有保护，店家服务。家具小白免费线上咨询，也能协助进口国产甚至工厂购买。私讯粉专或 Line 找杨师傅。
doing what